Good afternoon, everyone. I am Pranav before you. Thank you for giving me such an wonderful opportunity to speak on this topic. And today's my topic is, do we really need smart city? And firstly, talk about the what is smart city. It is right to develop our country. Yes, a smart city is very important for India. In smart city, in smart city, the people have mindset, great mindset to develop the city, and they have security, they have more education, they have skilled, they have uh, more education, they have work, and they have developed the India. And after build the smart city, our production also are increases. Farmer have no knowledge about the some technology, new technology for farming, but after build the smart city, farmer have knowledge about the new technology for farming. They have produced the more production for India. It is helpful for of India. And second point is, I am student, I know what is the need of student. What is the need of student? In class of everyone, the student have been learn with the help of teacher, but one of the student have no learn because they have no, they have only imagination power, they have not writing power, they have not reading power, they have only imagination power. And with the help of smart city, they have created the new technology like imagination power, like animation, and it is useful for student. And other things are, smart city are gives the new technology for student. If a student have knowledge about the gaming, they have in future, they have successful gaming YouTuber, they have only, they have only skilled person. But in present, the parent not support the student for gaming and other thing for singing and other skilled. But after us build smart city, they have knowledge about gaming, and they have focus about the gaming platform. If they have knowledge about the singing, they have opportunity to give the opportunity for student. And also our education system are changed, and unemployment is the biggest problem in India. After build the smart city, the unemployment are decreases because new works, new employments are available for workers. It is helpful for India. And most of the people have no skill, but after build smart city, they have skilled, they have more efficient education, they have efficient education, they have worker about skilled worker, and it is progress the India, it is bright for our future of India. And second point is the security in India are much more, but police and guards have new technology after build smart city. The army officer have more secure for India, and army officer work on border, and worker are work on in India. They have developed the India in how condition and in a good way. The people are, if the people are great, they create the smart city, but people are not great, smart city are not created the people of mindset, of great mindset of people. If the uh, if the people have mindset to achieve the goal, they have achieved. If we build a smart city for our education, for our next generation, they have not faced the they have not faced a more problem. They have only some problem. And also our economy are increases with the help of build smart city. If the nature have if the we build smart city, our environment also uh, if one of my friend say told us in this place they have the India is poor, India is not great, but India is great, India is not poor. They have some people have mindset the poor mindset, but most of the people have great mindset for development India. If the people have great mindset, they develop the great India for our generation, for our bright future. It is help for our people. And uh, in field of other country, they are compare the other country, but our country are very developed, very highly developed, very fastly developed, because our country has more educated people, more skilled people, and most of the people have skilled. And some student have some of my friend are said with smart city the environment are not, they have polluted the environment. For for environment some place are them for this natural, and they have plant the new tree, they have used biotechnology for planting, and they have used to grow the seed, they have used to production and more production for increase the population, increase the education for peoples.